Watch me build Amazon clone in 3 minutes using 3 tools. This is the website which we want to clone. I'm going to head over to new tab and I'm going to search for HTML to Figma. We need Chrome plugin. Click on this HTML to Figma. So this is from builder.io. I'm going to add this here. You will see once it's installed. So what this extension will do is capture the page. Now when I click on capture page, it's going to install a JSON file. We are going to open figma.com. I'm going to click on figma.com. We are going to use the JSON file given by HTML to Figma. I'm going to click on design file. Do right click here, click on plugins. We need to open plugin from builder.io. Just search for builder.io. You will see this builder.io AI powered Figma to code. Now click on that. Okay, so builder.io is that. We have to click on import. So we use this Chrome extension. You have to click here in order to upload figma.json. I'm going to click on it. So it's going to take some time. Yay, it's there. It's there. Okay, since the Figma page is loaded, we can verify once. It does look like it's there, but there are some other parts which we would not want to have here. So I'm going to just remove things which I don't want in my final website, such as all this text. You can click on this and then all of that would be hidden. I removed some unwanted text. So in third step, what we need to do is now convert this Figma file into code. So we are going to use Locofy for that. Let's see how does Locofy will work here. Here I have to create a project. For this, I'll need to create a new project. So I'm going to call it Amazon clone. So Amazon clone. Now I have a few options. This clone I can either build in React or HTML CSS. I'm going for HTML CSS. It's easier for people to understand or relate to. In next videos, we'll do React. Okay, so I'm going to build this one for HTML CSS. I don't want pixels, I want REM. I'm going to hit create. Project is created. Here you could see Amazon clone. I would want to make sure that my project is synced to the builder. So I'm going to click on sync, go for all the frames, although there is only one frame. So I'm going to click on start sync. So what this will do is it is going to take all the assets from my Figma file to Locofy builder. Now Locofy builder is going to take all the assets and it is going to generate code for it. Since our code is ready, so I'm going to click on view code in builder. We are going to see this code in Locofy builder. I could see the website preview here and below I will be able to see some code. So here I could see some code. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to directly export this and I'm going to run and see if this works. Export this. So I just want to export this entire frame. Yeah, it's free. Confirm code export. Okay, it's going to export this in zip format. In my downloads, I'm getting really good smell. Some good food is cooking. Our code has been exported, downloaded as Amazon clone zip. Done. Let's go directly to this folder. So I'm going to unzip this, just extract all. You could see this folder, Amazon clone. We just unzipped it. I'm going to open this folder, open this index.html page. You could see it's much similar to this website we just cloned. It's time you subscribe now. If you want me to explore more tools like this, just click on that subscribe button.